If a young student wants to build a career in cybersecurity, how he should go about it?
We are sitting on a bomb right now. Nowadays, we are completely dependent on the thing which is called mobile.
Best way to remember our passwords.
बादाम खाइए. जो registered crimes हैं last year के, that is 7,40,000, and that is the 20% of the complete crimes.
Do you think this is the right time to enter into the field of cybersecurity?
Each and every Indian right now is open for the market.
Hello and good afternoon. I'm Anuradha Ghosh and I welcome you all to our third interesting episode of Learn and Grow with Poddar. आज हम एक ऐसे विषय पर बात करने वाले हैं जो या तो हमारे आसपास हो रहा है या हमारे परिजनों के साथ हो रहा है या हम भी उसका शिकार कभी हुए हैं। आज जब हम एक फ़ोन कॉल करते हैं तो सरकार की तरफ से भी आपको ये संदेश दिया जाता है कि आप उससे सिक्योर और सुरक्षित रहें। जी हाँ, आज हमारे पॉडकास्ट का विषय है साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड हाउ टू ट्रेवर्स अस थ्रू आवरसेल्व्स इनटू द डिजिटल एरा। I welcome Dr. Ruchir Saxena, who was our esteemed guest today. Dr. Ruchir Saxena, he is the head of IT department, Poddar Management and Technical Campus. He is a subject matter expert with TCS and a certified GDPR and data privacy expert on LinkedIn. He is also the co-founder of IT Brand. Dr. Ruchir, I welcome you to the show. Sir, according to a 2022 crime report, about $10.2 billion have been lost in cybercrime. And cybersecurity is one of the most important thing that we should talk about today. According to you, how a common man like us be secure in this world from cyber fraud?
नमस्कार. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इस सवाल का जवाब देने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ स्टैट्स बताता हूँ एंड देन आप ही से ये क्वेश्चन मैं रिवर्स करूँगा कि वाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड वाई दैट पर्टिकुलर साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर द कॉमन मैन इन द टुडेज सिनेरियो.
जी.
अगर हम इंडिया की बात करते हैं तो लास्ट ईयर वी लॉस्ट approximately 7,000 crores in that particular thing, in the cyber crime. डेली बेसिस पे अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो वी रजिस्टर मोर देन 7,000 केसेस पर डे इन द साइबर क्राइम्स.
जी.
Nowadays we are completely dependent on the thing which is called mobile.
जी.
Right, and each and everyone having the smartphones in their hand and the internet is there. Once you have internet, that means you are open for the market.
जी.
Right, so each and every Indian right now is open for the market.
Yes.
Market in terms of cyber crime.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So we have, see, अब just think about it कि if each and everyone is available, we are sitting on a bomb right now.
Okay.
ठीक है. अगर हम बात करें लास्ट 3 से 4 महीने पहले, अगर आप लोगों ने देखा हो तो इसराइल ने अटैक ऑन लिबनान.
जी.
ठीक है.
जी.
So they use that particular device, communication device, and they blast there, and 3,000, more than 3,000 people will be injured there, and more than 50 to 60% people die. That is the cyber crime. Okay. Or as far as the financial aspects is there, investment crime is there, right? Investment is there, financial aspect, stock market crime is there, and we are continuously losing more and more money in that case.
जी.
In 2024, we lost approximately 3,000 crores in the financial market just
Okay.
because of the cyber security crimes, cyber
जी.
crimes. So this is very important nowadays. और बहुत नॉर्मल केस में हम बात करते हैं, जो रजिस्टर्ड क्राइम्स हैं लास्ट ईयर के, दैट इज 7,40,000, ठीक है, एंड दैट इज द 20% ऑफ द कंप्लीट क्राइम्स
जी
सो जस्ट इमेजिन, अभी तो हम रजिस्टर भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं कि कितना बड़ा अमाउंट हम लोग लॉस कर रहे हैं, कितना क्राइम्स हम लोग फेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं।
ओके सर, जैसा आपने हमें बताया कि हम एक लाइव बॉम्ब पे बैठे हैं, राइट? तो ऐसे कौन से साइबर थ्रेट्स हैं जो हम अपने आसपास बहुत ही कॉमन तरीके से देखते हैं?
बहुत ही कॉमन तरीके से, अगर मैम इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट दैट वेरी कॉमन थिंग्स, तो एक बहुत बेसिक सा साइबर क्राइम हम लोग फेस कर रहे हैं और हम लोग को मालूम भी नहीं चलता है कई बार, एंड दैट इज़ योर आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट।
ओके
वी ऑल आर यूजिंग लाइक एलेक्सा एंड काइंड ऑफ डिवाइसेस,
जी
राइट?
जी
सो एक बहुत छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ जो मेरे साथ हुआ है, मैं कई बार डिस्कस भी करता हूँ।
जी जी
आई एम सिटिंग इन माई रूम एंड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द ऑफिस, और मेरा एलेक्सा ऑन था।
जी
सो माई मॉम कॉल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड एंड सेड कि ना आज गैस बुक करा देना,
ओके
राइट? सो मैं सुन रहा था, मैंने कहा ठीक है, हाँ गैस बुक करा दूंगा। आई एम इन अ रश कि मुझे ऑफिस पहुंचना है, जल्दी टाइम मेरा हो रहा था।
जी
मैं भूल गया एंड समय ऑफिस आ गया, और आने के बाद आई जस्ट चेक माई मोबाइल फोन एंड then see कि lots of messages are there from Paytm, from Google Pay and lots of things are there कि गैस बुक कीजिए, you get the 5% cashback, 10% cashback, 14% cashback and that thing. So just I'll just got stuck कि इसको कैसे पता कि मुझे आज गैस बुक करनी है,
जी
right? So the things we are surrounded with these gadgets, they all are listening to us, ठीक है?
Okay.
And each and everything is data to do.
ओके
ठीक है? और जब ये डेटा आपका कंप्लीटली नेटवर्क पे, अब सोचिए मैं 8:30 बजे ऑफिस से निकल रहा हूँ एंड आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग माई फोन एट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10 o'clock, विद इन 1.5 hours आई विल रिसीव दीज मैसेजेस।
जी
ठीक है, बट ठीक है, इट्स एलेक्सा इज अ ट्रस्टेबल डिवाइस, सो वी ट्रस्ट ऑन इट कि मेरा डेटा कहीं लॉस नहीं हो रहा, बट स्टिल वी आर ऑन अ बॉम्ब राइट
जी,
नाउ।
जी।
सो और इन आप आने वाली अगर बात करें, the third world war is not the manual
बिल्कुल,
war, physical
बिल्कुल,
war,
बिल्कुल।
it's a data war,
It's
it's
a
completely a data war।
ओके
and इंडियंस मेंटालिटी, आपने जैसे बात करी कि इंडियंस कॉमन मैन, अगर हम बात करते हैं तो कॉमन मैन की एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि वी अट्रैक्ट टूवर्ड्स द फ्रीबीज।
यस
हम इंस्टाग्राम पे प्रोफाइल सर्च कर रहे हैं, हम कुछ भी सोशल मीडिया पे हैं, एंड वी विल see the 5% discount there, the 10% discount there, 20% discount, without bothering that particular thing is genuine or not, we just click on this.
जी
This is the very biggest problem towards the common man, just because हमें लगता है कि कोई चीज़ हमें 20% डिस्काउंट पे मिल रही है, 40 मिल रही है, या somehow कहीं फ्री मिल रही है। नथिंग इज फ्री इन दिस वर्ल्ड टुडे।
So, according to you, a crucial tip for all our viewers can be that we have to be very, very careful while we click on any of the links.
Definitely.
Yes? Okay, okay. So, when you say that cybercrime is so prevalent, it can be seen anywhere and everywhere around us. So, cybersecurity becomes one of the most important domain. So, if a student, a young student, wants to build a career in cybersecurity, how he should go about it?
First of all, ma'am, he should be clear in their objectives, right?
Okay.
होता क्या है कि बच्चे मूवीज में और इस तरह से देखते हैं, एंड दे विल बी कि लाइक दैट इज द थिंग विच वी हैव टू परफॉर्म, लाइक cyber security is that. Cyber security is not like that. You must be understand what exactly the data is, how that data is traveled from one place to another place. So you basically you build your base first. Okay.
Okay.
So the first thing is कि you must be more objective oriented basically things like.
So, one
So
strategy that the student has to be objective oriented. They have to have the understanding of the data. Okay.
then pursue some we need some basics of these things, okay? So learn the basics, okay? Develop your skills, okay? Hands-on practice is there, okay? Lots of portals or lots of platforms available there, they give the hands-on practice and free of cost, so just go there, practice on it. Just because the cyber security or the ethical hacking is just practice based thing. You
Okay.
cannot okay, you can learn the things, you can learn the tools, but still you need your logics to perform these things.
ओके सो एक बात बताइए सर, जब हम साइबर सिक्योरिटी की बात करते हैं तो साइबर सिक्योरिटी सिर्फ एक बड़ा डोमेन है या इसमें कुछ बेसिक्स सीखने पड़ते हैं पहले और फिर आप साइबर सिक्योरिटी के डोमेन में आगे जाते हैं?
देखिए, साइबर सिक्योरिटी बेसिकली इज अ itself it's a domain,
Okay.
or it has different branches, that's all.
And
Just
it's a
because
vast domain.
it's a vast domain, okay? The cyber security is not just a term,
Okay.
it's a group of terms basically.
Okay.
See,
Group
cloud
of
is
terms.
there, so people need the cloud security, cloud network security officials, cyber network security professionals,
Okay.
social media security professionals. See, I'm a GDPR expert, so data privacy expert is there. Okay.
So please
You-
help me understand, like all the young students who are watching us and who want to build a career in cybersecurity, there can be many aspects to cybersecurity.
Yeah, definitely. They can
Right?
go in the different domains itself.
Okay.
If someone is interested in the social media monitoring, so they can go with the social media security aspects also.
Okay, social
Okay,
media
like,
security.
auditing is there. It's not necessary ki you need lots of tools for there. You must be auditor there to audit the data. What kind of data is there? What kind of is data? See, each and every big firms hire the data experts
Okay.
to monitor the data,
Yes. Yes.
how to store that particular data, how to retrieve that particular thing. So
Okay.
it's a vast
So
area.
another tip that you gave to all our young students who are watching us today, that they have to create their hands-on experience.
Definitely.
So what do you mean by that? Like kind of hands-on experience, would that mean their internship in that particular aspect of cybersecurity, or the projects or the certifications that they can acquire?
They can go, first of all, see ma'am, there is a step by step process. First you need to build your base.
Okay.
So for that particular thing you have to go for the graduation in some professional degree like BCAs, BTechs and all. Then you opt some certificate, advanced certification, which is provided by the network security or companies, governments, or also is there. Then you will go for the internships.
Okay.
Free platforms is available if you want to if you want to perform as a freelancer, you can go with the free platforms as well.
Okay.
Meta, Google, they all conducted the competitions for the
Okay.
cybersecurity. See, one of my student is already crack a big bounty competition from the Instagram. They
Okay.
find a bug in the Instagram profile and earn a huge amount as
Yes.
a bounty.
Yes.
So,
So according to you, the first step can be to do BCA.
BC definitely.
BCA, that can be the first step towards getting the mastery over the security.
Definitely.
Sir, can we have some rapid fire questions? Maybe our viewers are also wanting to watch some rapid fire answers from you. So my first question to you is, one word to describe cybersecurity.
Necessity.
Necessity. Best way to remember our passwords.
Badam khaiye. That is the best way to remember your passwords, is because write down your passwords in some notebooks and all. Don't rely on the digital gadgets completely. So
Badam khaiye.
Badam khaiye. That is the thing.
Bilkul. Most common password mistake we all make.
Just guessable words. See, if you are putting your password as your date of birth, your name, this is the most guessable words. So these are the most common mistakes.
And we all do that.
And we all do that.
Let's all be cautious then. Best way for Poddar students to keep their accounts safe.
Stay away from the digital gadgets as well as you can. But the most thing is don't rely on the links before clicking.
Okay. Okay. So, worst cybersecurity advice you have ever heard.
One password for each and every account.
Okay. So
This is
different
the word.
passwords for different
passwords
accounts.
for different accounts.
Okay. So that's the mantra. Different passwords for different accounts. One cybersecurity habit that you wish each one of us should follow.
Same thing. Don't believe in the freebies.
Okay.
Nothing is free in this world right now.
Okay.
Your data is most important thing, and I'll give you some examples
Sure.
later on, definitely. But
Okay. So let's come back to some of our most insightful questions with sir. The one question that comes to my mind, we talk about artificial intelligence, we talk about hacking techniques all through. These are some of the common terms which are used in conversation these days. Will cybersecurity experts and professionals will always be in demand due to this?
definitely, never see what exactly artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence is artificially intelligent, right?
Okay.
So we need people to carry forward that particular thing. So we need people from the domains. We need the domain expert. So that demand never goes down.
Okay. So they'll always be in demand and
Absolutely, absolutely. I'll share an example. और आप लोगों ने भी सुना होगा, in India, nine celebrities victimized for deep fake videos.
yes,
So
definitely.
deep fake videos. What exactly the deep fake video is? Deep fake video is completely a AI based scam.
Okay.
So and I'll name all. I can name them. The Amitabh Bachchan is there. See, one of the most rated celebrity. जिनकी
Yes.
पूरी team काम कर रही है, and still they are the victimized of these particular things. Virat Kohli is there. Sachin Tendulkar
जी.
is there. Uh, Alia Bhatt is also
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Ratan Tata,
Yes.
Infosys founders.
बिल्कुल.
So
तो आप ये उन सब के नाम गिना रहे हैं जो बहुत ही फेमस और सेलिब्रिटीज है. अगर वो इनका शिकार हो सकते हैं तो हम और आप तो
बिल्कुल,
बिल्कुल हो सकते हैं
बिल्कुल.
इसका शिकार. ओके. सो दैट्स एन आई ओपनर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. व्हाट एडवाइस you would like to give to students who are interested in cybersecurity and another term, ethical hacking?
first of all, see, ma'am, I've already told you that you must be clear in your objective. See, cyber security or ethical hacking is not a kind of thing just you can learn in within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and you can start with your things. So it's a long process.
Okay.
You must be clear in your objectives. You need to spend some time on the hands-on experience. You need to enhance your skills as well. So focus on your skills basically. The major objective is skills should be there.
So it has to go according to a process. First is the selection of the course,
Definitely.
and then
First
getting-
is the objective.
First is the objective.
Then, as per the objective, select your course.
Okay.
Yeah, select your see. If we talk the general graduation courses like BCA, BTechs, and also you must be clear in your objective. Suppose if I'll just pursue the cybersecurity professional as my career as a cybersecurity professional, so you just opt a degree in cybersecurity, so you can learn the basics of the things.
Okay.
Then you will opt the higher certification programs. Then you go with the trainings and all. Then go with the competitions. So these are the basic steps you must be followed, and this is a long process.
Yes. So one thing I think all the students should remember who are watching us today, that it is a long drawn process. We have to understand the each and every step into the understanding of the cybersecurity domain and then select some. Another question that comes to my mind, that cyber frauds are so widespread. And cybersecurity, yes, the topic that we are talking about, is one of the most sought after. How is the Indian government addressing the cybersecurity concerns?
As I already told you, ma'am, the registered crime is 7,40,000 in the last 24 in the year last year. Right? In 21 on 22 23, it's just a few. I think 50,000 or something. So there is a big difference, like 50 to 7,40,000. The major problem is earlier the people will not come forward to say the things कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, मेरे साथ वैसा हुआ. But see, this transition, this is one approximately 113% increment in the registered crimes of the cyber
Okay.
security, and
Okay.
this is just because of the government policies.
Okay.
ठीक है, आप आज टीवी पे अगर देख रहे हो कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, अमिताभ बच्चन
जी,
इज देयर,
जी.
सो you will see the RBI logo and the RBI cartoon caricature is there to aware the people about the cyber frauds.
Yes.
Lots of agencies are working. I4C is established in 2018 by the government of India under the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Okay.
So they continuously, rigorously working towards the cyber security. So it is there. So lots of agencies working towards, and जैसा आपने इनिशियली स्टार्टिंग में कहा, हम कॉल करते हैं किसी को, वी विल सी, वी लिसन द कॉलर ट्यून रिगार्डिंग
Yes.
दिस cyber security. So this is the awareness by the government.
Yes.
So government is strictly working on that particular thing, and you will be amazed. In last year, we will recover more than 1,200 crore rupees, which will be lost in the cyber security crimes.
Okay. So you mean to say we have already recovered?
Yeah, we recover.
Okay.
See, if आज का प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लॉट्स ऑफ क्राइम, बहुत से क्राइम्स ऐसे हैं जो कि रजिस्टर नहीं हो रहे जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द सोसाइटल थिंग्स. लोगों को
Yes.
लगता है मैंने आपको बहुत कम लोगों के नाम बताए, जो 9 से 10 लोग, जो हम सेलिब्रिटीज़ की बात करें, दे आर द सेलिब्रिटीज इटसेल्फ.
जी.
बट आज हम अपनी सिटी में भी देखेंगे तो, and you will be amazed that the victims are more victims are the literate peoples, like bureaucrats, businessmen, doctors, and they are not coming forward just because of their fame. उनको लगता है कि मैं कैसे कह दूं कि मेरे से 50,000 का नुकसान हो गया.
Okay. So it's more of
So,
a stigma
stigma.
that they
Yeah.
think that it may come with, that if they report against this crime, that they have been duped with some money loss through cybercrime, they just feel stigma.
I'll share an example. Last year, I was working with some police personnel due to some of my students involved in that particular thing. So then we will know that there is a crime called क्या बोलना चाहिए उसको, romance
Okay.
crime kind of thing.
Romance
is there.
crime.
Yeah. So
Okay.
people they call you on the WhatsApp and they click your photographs, and
Okay.
then they ask for the ransoms,
Okay.
and they target the people of the elite class.
Okay.
Okay. And that particular elite class is not coming up forward for the, just because of कि मेरा मार्केट वैल्यू खराब हो जाएगा, मेरे को कोई पहचान लेगा. बट the amount include in that particular, and I'm talking about the Rajasthan only, and the
Okay.
amount is more than 200 crore rupees.
Okay. So, as all youngsters are also watching us, sir, if you may explain it further, जैसे आपने बोला कि ये romance WhatsApp के through they target young women or they target young girls and then they are duped of their money. तो ये कैसा प्रोसेस रहता है? मतलब ये youngsters को समझ आना तो बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Ma'am, lots of dating apps are there, so people are using that particular. So these scamsters create their fake profiles on that particular apps, and they start chatting with you, and they attack on your emotional things.
Okay.
Yeah, once you emotionally involve with these people, then they can ask for each and everything. It's not about the girl or the boy, it's about the person. आप
Yes.
अगर emotionally you are little bit strong, not strong, so you may be victimized.
Okay.
Anywhere.
Okay. So there's a caution for all of us who are watching and who are listening to Ruchir sir. He gave you an advice that whenever any one of you who plan to go on these platforms, we have to be very, very careful about our interactions. So we come to the next question, sir. You are the head of the Department of the IT in the Poddar Management Technical Campus. How do you train your students in cybersecurity or ethical hacking, or give them an understanding about these different domains?
See, I already told you, ma'am, that first of all, we build the platform of the students, right?
Okay.
We do not force them to go directly for some kind of hands-on practices and all. First, we train them, and enhance their skills, enhance their base, and then we will offer the competitions which conducted by the Meta, Googles, and these kind of things.
Okay.
Then they get the hands-on experience, live experience basically,
Okay.
and then definitely.
So, what should, if a student is opting for BCA program and the parents are also supporting the student, what should a student and a parent know before opting for the BCA program?
First, the interest in which stream.
Interest.
See, the technical field is not somehow. आज से earlier we can say कि we can opt the BTech only, we can opt the BC only. Now we have the different domains. We have the vast area of the IT fields is there. So first you must be clear in your interest objects basically, and then you can opt the particular BCA. If we talk about the BCA, we have different domains in the BCA as well. We have the data analytics, we have the artificial intelligence, cyber security. So just confirm, just ask a question yourself in which area you are pursuing your career.
Okay.
So,
So,
first thing is
self-awareness is very
self-awareness
important.
is very important. Then select a good college where you can get the exposure. Your objective is fulfilled there, and the exposure towards your objective must be there. So,
So, the message, your objective should be clear, your exposure should be clear, it should be aligned, and you should choose the right college and the right platform to nurture your IT dreams. To the next question that I come, what are your final thoughts now? Like, we have been talking about cybersecurity, we have been talking about the frauds that we come across. What are your final thoughts? And do you think this is the right time to enter into the field of cybersecurity?
see, as far as the professional career is concerned, definitely this is the right time to enter this kind of thing. Just because we are in the transition mode right now. Okay, we are we are going towards the artificial intelligence right now. As far as and artificial intelligence is based on the data, and wherever the data is there, the professional security professionals is also needed. So the demand for that particular thing is never reduced. Okay, this time high demand is there just because we don't have the ample number of professionals out there, good professionals. So that is why these things are increasing. See,
So this is the right time
this is the right time.
to enter the cybersecurity world, according to you.
बिल्कुल see, अभी राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट इज जो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम अफेयर्स है राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट का,
जी.
they hire the cyber security professionals in all over the Rajasthan, in all over the police stations. They
Okay.
plot a single, matlab 1 to 2 sub inspectors as a cyber security professional.
Okay.
Okay. And you will be amazed they never find that much amount जो उनको चाहिए basically.
Okay.
So they are in the huge demand right now.
Okay.
This
So-
is the single area I am telling about.
Okay, the cybersecurity.
Cyber.
Okay. So one final advice, or you can say a suggestion, as a cybersecurity expert, that you would like to give to all our viewers.
Think before click.
Okay. Okay.
Not one, twice, thrice,
Okay.
then click.
Okay. So think before you click. That is the final advice that Dr. Ruchi Saxena wants to give all of us today. This was about cybersecurity and how we can keep ourselves safe in the digital era. Thank you very much for watching us. Thank you.